Come on! Huge tornado! Come on! Dad, no, keep going. You gotta count from all the way. Alright, let's go. Stop. Oh my god, that's amazing. Oh my god, that's huge. Violent tornado on the ground. Take pictures of it, Dad.
I'm going to.
Alright. Oh my god. Large tornado. Large tornado.
Look at that.
I'm in. I am. Dad, that's huge. That's freaking amazing. Oh my god, this thing is not over. Look at the can. Oh man, look at the mezzo. Oh, that thing is ripping.
Look at the way it's going. You need to go down that way. See if we can get a better angle.
I don't want to get caught in this thing. Oh my god, look.
We're going to get caught in a minute here.
Well, it's moving this way.
It doesn't look like it though. That cloud right there.
That cloud right there is moving out. It's gonna move soon.
Right, there's hail right here.
That's beautiful. Christmas cloud. Powerful. Woohoo!
Yeah, Mike's.
Look at the mezzo. Like, this is good enough. Look at this. I don't see it. So close to my head. We said that. Yeah, it's working out. Go, stop. Don't go any farther. I don't want to lose the shot. This is an incredible shot. Park it. Well, we're not going to get out. I just want to... Look at how fast it's rotating. Oh. Yeah, we got to go south. We got to find the road and go west.